Samsung Galaxy A52s. Vi4. Super AMOLED bezel-less display, Corning Gorilla Glass protection, 64MP main camera, 32MP front camera, 4500 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging compatibility, 128GB internal storage. Verdict. Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G turns out to be a smart performer within 30K. Buyers looking for stable camera options, seamless multitasking ability, massive storage and great battery life can invest in the particular for their daily activities. Samsung is also offering a Corning Gorilla Glass layered front screen to assure extra protection. Experience amazing visuals and seamless multitasking. Display and camera. Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G comes with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED bezel-less front screen protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. It also gets a 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution and a 20:9 aspect ratio, a pixel density of 405p and a refresh rate of 90 Hz, promising detailed visuals. On the backside of the Galaxy device, there is a 64MP f/1.8 wide-angle primary camera with LED flash accompanied by a 12MP f/2.2 ultra-wide-angle camera, a 5MP macro camera, and a 5MP depth shooter. The brand has also included a 32MP f/2.2 wide-angle front camera for selfie purposes. Configuration and battery. The device packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset along with an octa-core dual-core 2.2 GHz Creo 570 and hexa-core 1.8 GHz Creo 570 processor layout. Further, a 6GB RAM teamed with Adreno 619 GPU ensures seamless multitasking overall. Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G gets a powerful 4500 mAh lead polymer battery compatible with a 33 watts fast charging system. It is also non-removable by nature. Storage and connectivity. The device gets 128GB of inbuilt storage that can be expanded to 1TB using a microSD card. Additionally, Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G is compatible with 4G VoLTE LTE networks, Bluetooth V5.1, a GPS GLONASS, mobile hotspot, and Wi-Fi 802.11, B/G/N. Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G price starts from 34,890 rupees. The lowest price of Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G is 34,890 rupees. This is 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage base variant of Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, which is available in awesome violet, awesome white, awesome black color. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.